Hello and welcome to today's video. Daily routine in English sentences, slow listening and speaking practice. My name is Sam, and I'm here to help you speak English more clearly and confidently. In this video, you will listen to common daily routine sentences. Simple sentences that people use every day. You will hear each sentence spoken slowly and clearly. Repeat after me for pronunciation practice. Build your speaking confidence. Train your ears to understand natural English. This is perfect for beginners, intermediate learners, anyone who wants to speak English fluently by practicing real-life sentences. You don't need to take notes. Just relax, listen, and repeat with me. Let's start your English practice together. One sentence at a time. Are you ready? Let's begin. Welcome to Part 1. Morning Routine Sentences. You will now listen to real English sentences used in the morning, from waking up to leaving the house. Please listen carefully. Repeat each sentence after me to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Let's begin. Waking up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I turn off my alarm. I stretch my arms and sit up in bed. I check my phone for messages. I get out of bed slowly. Morning hygiene. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth with toothpaste. I wash my face with cold water. I take a shower. I use soap and shampoo. I dry myself with a towel. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror and smile. Getting dressed. I go back to my room. I choose my clothes for the day. I put on a t-shirt and jeans. I wear socks and comfortable shoes. I grab my jacket if it's cold outside.
Breakfast time.
I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. I make a cup of tea. I eat bread with jam. Sometimes I eat eggs or cereal. I sit at the table and enjoy my breakfast. I check the news on my phone. I look outside the window. Getting ready to leave. I pack my bag. I check if I have my phone, keys, and wallet. I wear my backpack. I turn off the lights. I lock the door. I leave the house and walk to the bus stop.
Great job.
Let's now repeat some of the most common morning routine sentences together. Repeat after me. Quick speaking practice. Common sentences. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I leave the house and go to work or school. Fantastic. You're doing very well. Practicing these sentences every day will help you speak naturally, build a strong vocabulary, and feel more confident using English in your daily life. Welcome to Part 2. Afternoon Routine Sentences. Now, let's continue your English practice by talking about what people do in the afternoon, after morning activities like waking up, getting ready, and having breakfast. Listen to each sentence carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Work or school time. I arrive at work at 9 a.m. I turn on my computer. I check my email inbox. I make a list of tasks for the day. I attend a morning meeting. I answer phone calls and reply to messages. I work on a new project. I help my coworkers. I study for my class. I listen to the teacher and take notes. I use my laptop to do my homework. Lunchtime. At 12 o'clock, I take a break for lunch. I go to the cafeteria with friends. I bring lunch from home. I eat rice and vegetables. Sometimes I buy a sandwich or a salad. I drink water or juice. I talk with my coworkers or classmates while eating. I relax and enjoy my lunch break. After lunch activities, I take a short walk outside. I stretch my body and take deep breaths. I check my phone during the break. I return to my desk and continue working. I write emails and finish my tasks. I attend an afternoon class. I ask questions and speak in English. I focus on learning and improving. Using free time. When I finish my work, I take a short break. I check social media for a few minutes. I read the news online. I watch a short video in English. I drink a cup of coffee or tea. I write in my notebook or journal. Sometimes, I listen to English podcasts or music. Review and repeat afternoon sentences. Now, let's review some useful sentences. Repeat them with me. I arrive at work and turn on my computer. I check my email and reply to messages. I take a break for lunch at 12 o'clock. I eat lunch and talk with my coworkers. I continue my work in the afternoon. I take a short walk and stretch my body. I listen to a podcast in English. I study and do my homework. Excellent job. Afternoon routines are full of small actions, and each one is a chance to speak and think in English. By repeating these sentences, you are building your speaking fluency, training your ear to understand better, and preparing to use English in your real daily life. Well done. In Part 3, we will focus on evening routine sentences, including relaxing after a long day, watching TV, and preparing for bed. Welcome to Part 3 of your daily routine practice. In this section, we'll focus on evening activities, what people usually do after work, after school, or when the day is winding down. As always, listen to each sentence carefully and repeat after me. This will help you build confidence and speak naturally in English. Let's begin. After work or school. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I turn off my computer and clean my desk. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I leave the office and walk to the bus stop. I take the bus or drive home. Traffic is sometimes slow in the evening. I listen to music or podcasts during the ride. I arrive home feeling a little tired. I take off my shoes and sit down to rest. Relaxing at home. I relax on the sofa. I turn on the TV and watch my favorite show. Sometimes I watch a movie or a short video. I check my phone or scroll through social media. I read a book or listen to music. I drink a cup of tea or water. I talk with my family or send messages to friends. I enjoy the quiet time after a long day. I feel more relaxed as the evening goes on. Dinner time. I cook something simple for dinner. Sometimes I make rice, pasta, or soup. I eat with my family or alone at the table. We talk about our day and share stories. After dinner, I help clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes and wipe the table. I put away the food and turn off the lights in the kitchen. Preparing for the night. I take a shower to feel clean and fresh. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I put on comfortable clothes or pajamas. I check my phone one last time. I write in my journal or plan for tomorrow. I turn off the lights in the living room. I say goodnight to my family. I go to my bedroom and get ready for bed. Going to bed. I turn off the lights. I lie down in bed and close my eyes. I take deep breaths and try to relax. Sometimes I listen to soft music or a sleep podcast. I think about what I did today. I feel thankful and calm. Soon I fall asleep. Speaking practice. Common evening sentences. Let's repeat some of the most useful sentences from this section. I finish work and take the bus home. I sit on the sofa and watch a movie. I cook dinner and eat with my family. I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. I turn off the lights and go to sleep. Great work. You're getting better every time you practice. You have now completed a full day of English practice, morning, afternoon, and evening. This is how you build real fluency. By repeating real-life sentences and speaking every day, your brain gets used to thinking in English. In the next part, we'll do a full review of all daily routine sentences, and you'll speak them with me like a full conversation or daily script. Welcome to Part 4. This is your full daily routine review. Now, we will go through a complete day from morning to night using simple, natural English. You will listen, repeat, and speak like a native English speaker. This is a great way to build fluency, confidence, and memory. Let's begin your full day in English. Repeat each sentence after me. Morning routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I turn off my alarm. I stretch and sit up in bed. I check my phone. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth with toothpaste. I wash my face with cold water. I take a shower. I dry off and comb my hair. I go back to my room and get dressed. I put on a t-shirt and jeans. I wear my socks and shoes. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. I eat breakfast with bread and eggs. I sit at the table and enjoy my meal. I check the news on my phone. I pack my bag for the day. I make sure I have my phone, wallet, and keys. I leave the house and go to the bus stop. Afternoon routine. I arrive at work or school. I turn on my computer. I check my emails and start my tasks. I attend a meeting or class. I talk with coworkers or classmates. I take a lunch break at 12 o'clock. I eat rice and vegetables or a sandwich. I drink juice or water. I talk to my friends during lunch. I feel more relaxed. After lunch, I take a short walk. I stretch my legs. I come back and continue working or studying. I reply to messages. I finish my assignments or projects. Evening routine. I finish work and turn off my computer. I say goodbye to everyone. I take the bus or drive home. I arrive home and take off my shoes. I sit on the sofa and rest. I watch a show or listen to music. I check my phone or social media. I talk with my family. I drink tea or water. I feel more relaxed. I cook something simple for dinner. I eat at the table. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes and wipe the counters. I take a shower. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I wear comfortable clothes. I go to my bedroom. I write in my journal or plan my next day. I turn off the lights. I lie down in bed. I take a deep breath. I feel calm and ready to sleep. I close my eyes and rest. Final recap. Let's say a few complete sentences again. I wake up, brush my teeth, and eat breakfast. I go to work or school and do my tasks. I eat lunch and talk to friends. I return home and relax. I eat dinner, take a shower, and go to bed. Well done, my friend. You made it to the end of this full English practice session. You just completed an entire day in English. From morning to night, you spoke clearly, practiced real-life sentences, and trained your brain to think in English. This is real progress. Every time you listen, repeat, and speak, you are becoming more confident, more fluent, and more comfortable in English. You may not see it today, but if you keep going, in 1 month, in 3 months, you'll speak English faster, smoother, and with more confidence than ever before. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and say, I practiced my daily routine today. Even a small comment helps you stay committed to your goal. And don't forget to subscribe for more English practice videos with stories, daily conversation, slow listening, and speaking challenges. If you want to speak English like it's a part of your life, this is the place to be. This is Sam, and I want to say thank you for learning with me today. Come back tomorrow and repeat this practice. 1 sentence at a time, 1 day at a time. You're doing great, keep going. And remember, your English journey is just beginning. See you in the next video. Take care, and bye for now.